What's up everybody, this is Justin Morris. Today I'm going to teach you all how to backhand spring. Yes, backhand spring. I learned this move at the age of 12. At the age of 12 it wasn't perfect, but I would say that being able to do it since the age of 12, I have the experience now to teach you all how to do it, and I believe this is the best progression to be able to do our backhand spring. So y'all, let's get it. Okay, so backhand spring is really simple, but you have to be comfortable with being on your hands. And well, some people have the tendency to use the inner knuckles. I'll put the hand like this. With our backhand spring, please refrain from doing it. So before you start to go back, practice this. Yeah, you have to get real comfortable on your hands, so this will help. First step, you just rest in your hand like this, and you're hopping around your hand, so you're going around like this. So, it's your hand, go around. That's the first step. Anyone can do it?
I can do it.
You want to try?
Do it.
Come. Scoop. Your hand here. Go around. Try. Stoop. Like that. Come. Stand up. Stoop there. Which hand you feel comfortable with? So the rest down first. Rest your right hand here. And you just hop in and you're going around this way. Go.
What?
Not back. That's not.
Alright.
Alright, so after you got the hop around your hands, the next step will be trying to go a little more vertical. So you'll do that by looking back more. So just look back more.
You have to try that.
Wanna try? Push off your two legs, right? Push off, and then go. Push off. Come on. Let me see. Come right here.
So watch it.
Stand game nice spot there. Stand here doing it wrong.
So what
Yeah, lift off one foot.
Right.
Lift one hand, do it.
Go down.
Scoop down. Right. Look back more. Right. Ooh.
So watch it.
Nice try.
So watch it.
Sometimes you're not pushing enough, so you'll push. It'll be like you're not pushing off your leg enough, so you'll be dropping back. So you push and you drop back. But you have to push. You have to push harder. So watch it.
You don't do that yet,
Push hard.
Take off the pen.
All right, go ahead. That was good. You want to try? Push off both legs. Harder, eh?
Okay.
Harder. What? Face you. Right. Push your hand out. Push harder. Good try. Alright, so you're almost straight. All you have to do is reach with the other hand. Reach towards the ground. So rest your hand facing that way. Try to go back and you reach with the hand towards the ground. Alright, so the name of this move is called the macaco or the monkey flip. So You've just done your first monkey flip. So give yourself a round of applause, but we're not done yet. Alright, so now you're jumping and then you're putting down your hand. So you're jumping and you're doing a macaco in a way. Or you could just, you see the progression you use to do the macaco, as in you use one hand and then you start using gradually, you start putting down your next hand. Try that. Okay, so this is how you do it. You jump and then put down your hand. So when the macaco you went around, so you're doing the same thing, but we jumping this time. So jump around one. So now you're trying to put down the next hand. So you're jumping, trying to go a little more back and try to put down your next hand. No matter which hand you're doing it, right? I'm doing it on my right, but I'll show you what I understand. If you put down your right hand, you'll put down your left hand will come and meet it. If you put down your left hand, your right hand will come and meet it. So watch it. Now you try to make both hands land at the same time, or try to land 1, 2, and try to make the time frame in which the next hand land sooner, until you're able to land with both hands at the same time. Watch it. Both hands this time. So now I want you to commit. Yes, I want you to commit. So you set up, you stoop, you take your hands back, you swing it up, your head follow, your eyes look the direction your hands going, all the way to the ground. It should look something like this. If you can do that, that's really good. To make it better, you have to really focus on the beginning. Really focus on the stoop, focus on the throw. Focus on keeping both hands level as they go back, and your head going back with your hands. Alright, so one thing I forget to mention, the back handspring, you'll need a bit of back flexibility. So one thing you could use to gain back flexibility is the bridge. So I'll show you that right now. Being able to do that will help a lot, and if you could do that and walk over, which I should show you right now too. Bridge, it will really help your back flip. It will really enhance it to make it look smoother and cleaner. The more flexible it is with that stretch, it will really help. Some people may not like to practice it because it's kind of difficult and it kind of hurts, especially if you're not naturally a flexible person. But really just practice it. No matter what level of flexibility you're on, you'll have your backhand springs looking clean and smooth in no time. So guys, good luck. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you all want to see next. Comment down below.